Okay, welcome everyone. Is my voice clear?
Yes, Hassan, clear.
Okay, perfect. Welcome on board, everyone. I'm so happy that all of you are here. So this is the start of summer sprint bootcamp of AI for 2025. So the title of this bootcamp is "Grow Together," as we are trying to become better versions of ourselves academically in the AI field and the tech field generally. So this year's bootcamp is hosted by multiple hosts, right? And we have a lot prepared for all of you, and we are looking forward to share our experiences with you and make sure that you apply whatever you learn into a big project and hopefully make the best out of it, right? So today we'll be going through the host introductions and how the bootcamp will basically process from start to end throughout the 2 weeks. And we will also help you how to set up your experience on LinkedIn for this bootcamp. So Sprint OS. Sprint OS is a freshly created organization that aims to help students learn a lot, and basically we'll be delivering a lot of boot camps on the way. We'll be delivering a lot of workshops and practical hands-on trainings for all students around the world, mostly in the MENA region, but obviously around the world as well. We'll be having a lot of boot camps coming up, and we'll be kicking off with this one particularly. So I would love to give the stage to Code with Sarah to introduce um, themselves as an association that hosted this bootcamp. So Sarah, the mic is yours.
Thank you so much, Hassan. Thank you all for joining us here today. We were actually super excited. We had more than 500 registrations, and there's a lot of people that are really just so excited to kick off their bootcamp journey with us. As Hassan mentioned, we'll be walking you a bit through everything. So, a bit about Code with Sarah. We actually founded it earlier this year. So far, Hassan, if you could please go to the next slide. So far, we hosted 12 events and workshops. We're actually currently running 2 training programs, and we have 13 global ambassadors. So Code with Sarah is a community that empowers Gen Z and Gen Alpha in diving into STEM related fields with our tech twist. So we believe in the integration of tech into everything STEM, and we actually have more than 900 members overall. Uh, it's really great that you all are here joining us today. And as Hassan mentioned, the outcome of this bootcamp is to basically introduce you to the field of AI. Everyone can dive into AI, and your bootcamp is the chance to test the waters and actually dive into the field with AI. There will be at the end of the bootcamp a project that you could work on, and we'll be actually hosting a competition. So overall, it's a great learning and collaborative experience, and we're looking forward to having you all.
Thank you so much, Sarah. So I would love to hand the mic to NEU AI Club, our second host for the bootcamp. So Mahdi, please welcome to the meeting, and please introduce AI Club to us.
Thank you, Hassan. To start with, I would like to say thank you for uh, making us part of the host for this bootcamp. And I would like to also introduce myself. My name is Mahdi Al Sharu. I'm a software engineering student at Near East University, and I'm also a team member from the Near East AI Club. And today I'm going to talk quickly about our club, our start, and some of the events that we did this year. Our club started in the winter of the winter semester of 24-25 for the purpose of teaching students about AI and give them a fun and educational place to understand AI, the purpose, and the best use for AI. Our first event was a kind of a game show. The event was 4 teams competing for their knowledge on technology and AI. The second event was focused on the ethical use of AI. This event had 3 parts: a lesson on AI, a lesson on ethics, and the second one is the practical application and problems with AI in ethical concepts. And finally, the main event, which was an ethical debate on the use of AI. And our final event was more social and for fun, which was a movie day event. And we had a focus, considering we are an AI club first. The focus was on technology and AI. We ended up landing on the movie USS, my apologies, 1 second. USS Callister. That movie, it was a Black Mirror episode that focused on the abuse and problematic use of technology. And that was our event so far. And now we're working with Serah and Hassan on this lovely event. And we are still looking for thinking of our next events. Hopefully you will join us if you are part of the community. Again, Serah and Hassan, for this opportunity, and good luck for everyone. Goodbye.
Thank you so much, Mahdi. This is very interesting. So, lastly but not least, we have the Google Developers Group on campus of Lebanese University. So I would love to welcome Mr. Amir. The mic is yours.
Thank you, Hassan. I'll start off by introducing myself. So I'm Amir Boghanem, organizer of Google Developer Group on campus, Lebanese University, and the backend engineer. Our chapter is the largest on-campus chapter in Lebanon with over 1,300 members. We mainly organize tech events to help students bridge the gap between theory and practice. And we're really excited to be a part of the Summer Sprint Bootcamp hosted by, thank you, Hassan and Serah and everyone who contributed to this hopefully successful bootcamp. Our motto is connect, learn, and grow. We want our chapter members to benefit from networking opportunities and, of course, like improve their technical skills. So that's it. I'd love to welcome you all to this Summer Sprint Bootcamp. And for everyone that joined and is willing to learn, kudos to you. And I wish you the best of luck on this journey. Thank you, everyone. And best of luck. I'd also like to add, please follow us if you can leave the slide for like maybe 30 seconds, Hassan. If you'd like to join our socials, follow us, please scan the QR code. And yeah, that's it from my side.
Thank you, Mr. Thank you so much, Mr. Amir. I would also love
we
to.
forgot. Would you like to announce that we're hosting a collaboration together with?
Feel free to. It's okay.
Yeah, so I'd also like to announce that after the Summer Sprint Bootcamp concludes, we're going to be hosting a Build with AI collaboration with the Near East University AI Club. So stay tuned for more details. It's going to be amazing.
Thank you so much, Mr. Amir. All right. Coming up, we are going to talk about the bootcamp itself. So we are doing this with one message, which is to benefit the students and help them learn in the most fun way, right? So a lot of students would just spend their summer maybe playing video games or just doing random things, but we decided we want them to walk out of summer knowing a lot about AI, knowing how to apply AI into their software degree, computer science degree, or whatsoever. And this was the whole point, right? We are trying to keep this as interactive as possible, and we are trying to help everyone to network with real experts in the field, so they would be able to learn a lot, right? And so we came up with the name Summer Sprint because when a sprinter is sprinting, their goal is to win something, right? Let's say the race. So they are running around the track, trying to win the race, right? So the race is here, is life, and to win this life, you need to work on yourself. You need to develop yourself, take courses, take boot camps, study, and so on, to achieve your dreams, essentially. So we are sprinting during the summer for a goal, which is to develop ourselves, right? So it's exactly the same as someone that is sprinting around the track. Second, I would love to say that artificial intelligence is much more than ChatGPT. All of you heard of ChatGPT so far, and you probably use it on a daily basis at this point. But we want to show you that it's not just about chatting with a bot or chatting with a system that responds to your answers, to your questions, right? AI is much more than that. We have agents, we have MCPs, we have um, a lot of different tools online that we can apply to make our life easier. AI is out there to make our life easier, but it's not just about ChatGPT. So we're gonna expose you to some new tools that you can apply straight into your code, or just basically to solve your tasks, right? Or even integrate it into your SaaS products to level up your game. So the expected outcomes of this bootcamp might include having some hand-on skills on AI and work on real-world projects. So as we said, the second week, you guys are going to be working on group projects, which will have some real-world cause, and it will expose you to the nature of such projects. And we will also explain to you the AI life cycle. So we have this session today with Dr. Omar, which is about the AI life cycle. We will talk about it in more depth. And lastly, at the end of the bootcamp, you will get your certificate of completion. It might look something like this. So AI as a tool has deep learning, machine learning, neural networks, and a lot of data. The tech world is all about data right now. So right now, when you use an AI or when you are learning about AI, it's not just about ChatGPT, as I said, or just input output. No, there is a lot in between the input and the output of the process, a lot of logic and so on, right? So we will be exposing you to different sectors in AI that will help you understand what actually happens in the middle, right? So you can think about it as a system, a whole system, right? And what's very interesting about this bootcamp is really how diverse the nationalities that we have are. So we have nationalities from all around the world, all around the continents, right? So we have a lot of people from Lebanon, Pakistan, Egypt, Sudan, North Cyprus, Türkiye, and a lot of other countries. So you will get to meet a lot of people around the world that are interested just in the same thing as you. So you might see people speaking different languages than you, or having different backgrounds, studying in different levels. For example, if you are a high school student, you might find some PhD student here that is trying to learn about AI. All of you have this same, let's say, common interest in AI, but you are all here together today. So it's fun, isn't it? As you can see, this is some statistics for the nationalities that we have. So we have around 75% people from Lebanon, and we have a lot of people from Turkey and North Cyprus, GCC countries like Saudi Arabia, the Emirates, and Qatar. We have a lot of people from Africa and other countries as well. So it's very interesting, and I'm pretty sure that you guys will get along since you have the same love for AI. So for the bootcamp timeline, we're gonna start off with seminars and workshop. We will be networking and having social activities. We will work on group projects, and boom, you're done. You have a lot of knowledge. You got to meet some really interesting people, and you walked out of this boot camp having a different mindset about AI. In a nutshell, you are a dope person for being here. So someone with no AI knowledge does not know about AI. They are boring and probably watches AOT for fun. I'm so sorry, but I really hate AOT. And you, as a viewer, you finished the summer sprint, let's say. You are ambitious, you are active, and you are super cool. So congratulations, you made it here. And we think that you are really, really ambitious, and we really think that one day you'll become really successful in this field, just for having the, let's say, the willing to be here. So how to add this as an experience on LinkedIn? So you would need to open your LinkedIn profile, click on the experience or education section, and search for Sprint OS. We will be sharing all of these links, and as you can see here, you can add it as an education. So you can search Sprint OS on the school, and then add the degree AI Sprint Summer Bootcamp, and then for the field of study, you can write AI or general tech, doesn't matter. So consider adding it. It's always a plus to have something on your LinkedIn. And lastly, I would love to thank all of you for being here once again. And I wish you an amazing boot camp. This is the beginning of a journey, 2 weeks long. I'm pretty sure that you guys are going to have a lot of fun and you will be learning a lot. So thank you so much, and stay tuned for the second seminar, roughly in 8 minutes with Dr. Amr. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them on the chat box. And this is our first time streaming on YouTube, actually. So I always wanted to say this. So make sure to like and subscribe, and click the share button and send it to your friends. Thank you so much, guys, for being here today. If you have any questions, as I said, make sure to ask. And good luck. Let's sprint.
Thank you so much, Hassan, and thank you everyone for joining us. We'll be starting with the first seminar in 8 minutes. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, feel free to just to drop them in the chat box. And regarding the attendance, as mentioned, we'll be sharing with you a Google form. You can add your full name as you'd like it to appear on the certificate, and as well as your most active email address so that we could email you the certificate. And as mentioned, you need to attend at least 2 sessions to receive a certificate. No experience is needed. Completely beginner background, and even those with some knowledge in AI, and even those with advanced knowledge, because we'll be diving into several fields within AI. Okay, then we will have a 5-minute break and then we will kick off with the first seminar session. See you all.